In life, you have to dance like no one is watching and laugh like you're not going to hurt. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So you have to live and dance like no one is watching and love like you're not going to get hurt. At the end of the day, life is for living. You have to be 100% you. You have to truly be authentic and live life the way you want to. We love to put other people in categories. You can't do this, you can't do that, you like this type of music, you can't be seen listening to anything else, you know, you like to eat this so you can't be that, you look a certain way so you must be that. Don't fall into people's categories. At the end of the day, you can be who you are. Love who you want to love. Listen to what you want to listen to. You can watch whatever you want to watch. Be your authentic self. Just because you're a certain size, it doesn't mean that you can't wear particular things. You know, people like to put you in a category, put you in a box and label you as something else. Like, you have to only wear this type of clothing, and if you wear something else, then it's not really for your body type. Who cares? If you want to, if you're a particular size, you should be able to wear what you want to wear. You should be able to do what you want to do. Why do people judge your actions? You know, at the end of the day, who are you living for? You're living for no one but yourself. Don't apologize for who you are. Don't allow people to label you and put you in a box. People love to say, oh, you're a woman, so that means you can't be the CEO of a company. You know, you're a woman, you're emotional, so you can't really lead very well. At the end of the day, it's been proven that women are more likely to keep companies going and they make better decisions than men. So who's to say that just because you're a woman you can't be the CEO, or just because you're a man you can't be a stay-at-home dad? You know, at the end of the day, don't allow people to put you in a category. If you love to do certain things, if you're a man and you love cooking, people shouldn't even look down on you. Don't let people put you in a category. You can be who you want to be. You can do whatever you want to do. You can live your life the way you want to. The world has evolved. We have to break through those stereotypes. We have to break through those glass ceilings, that, you know, those gender glass ceilings that people put in place. Have to do better than we're currently doing. And if you conform to these things, you're not really helping. So no matter what happens, you have to really truly try and be your authentic self. Do whatever you love, regardless of being a man thing or a woman thing, or without it being a particular age group likes to do this so you can't do that. As long as it pleases you, as long as it brings you peace, as long as it's not harming anyone, be unapologetically you. Do what you love. Dance like no one's watching. Sing like no one's listening. Love like you're not going to hurt. Live your life to the fullest. Live your life to the best possible way. Don't conform to other people's situations. Don't conform to the categories. Be yourself and become the best version of yourself. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.